Today I'm going to talk to you about glass marbles or flat glass marbles or glass gems. They come named as all different things. What are they even called here? Nothing. Designer accents. Great. Great. R.I.P. A.C. Moore. So, you can get glass gems in any color and mostly round shapes, although I do believe they come in other shapes too. I use flat glass marbles like these to weight my crochet work when I need it to be a little heavier. Because I tend to work with worsted weight yarn, I tend to have larger holes in my amigurumi, and I don't enjoy using the poly pellets or the little tiny plastic beads that you find for weighted stuffies. You can still use those. You can put those inside a nylon stocking or something similar to that and drop that into your amigurumi, and that will make for a nice, satisfying weighted crochet piece. And that is a safer option if you are doing it for a child's toy. If you are making a soft sculpture from a amigurumi pattern, particularly one of my patterns, I recommend the glass gems because they are easily findable. They do not corrode over time. You can spot clean and get them wet and they will be fine. And they are great for that weight. They make for a really satisfying weight at the bottom of amigurumi, even in the bottom of little round feet, like for mushroom sprites. Like for mushroom sprites. But they are not safe for children. If you are making something for a child, especially 3 and under, although I would advocate even a little older than that, I wouldn't give these to a child under the age of 8 to play with in a piece of crochet work. Keep in mind the recipient for your art. If it's going to be a child, skip the glass. These still can break. I have received bags of these with broken flat glass marbles in them. It would not be safe to have the broken glass inside of your crochet work in the hands of a child. Don't do it. But if it's going to be a display piece only, if it's not going to be played with, you can use these larger types of glass gems, or I also like these little guys. They're even smaller, and I sometimes use in tinier crochet work. So you have a lot of options with these. You can get them in smaller bags. I get 20-pound bags of them that are meant to go inside glass fireplaces. They work great. They're relatively inexpensive. They never go bad. They never corrode. They never get mold. They never get weird if you get them wet. Unlike beans or other things that people sometimes add to crochet work to give a weight to it. I recommend the glass gems, again, only for soft sculptures that are not going to be played with very often. You can find these in big box craft stores, but also other big box stores and on the internet relatively easily. I hope this clears up what glass gems or flat glass marbles are, and I will put a link in the description with some links to listings that I have personally purchased and used. You do not need to purchase from those links. It's just a handy way to keep a list. I hope that helps.